And here we are once again with another old game. The other old Batman game that is good and liked and not terrible. And I'm going to play it because I'm bad at it. Welcome to Old School Dropout. Again, I'm Hundashter. These cutscenes are pretty great for the NES, which is what this game is on. I had to do a lot of finagling to get this thing to work, as I usually had to. The game is actually pretty cool. You got punch, you got jump, you got dudes that blow up and fire. You got ammo for your weapons, which you can get by doing something. I forget what you do. I don't remember what I have to do. Ow! Stupid trains. Why are there even trains? Doesn't make any sense. One of the buttons does... I forget what it does. I'll figure it out. Come on. Oh man, I can't beat these guys if I don't have my weapons. Oh no. Well, this may be a short let's play because I can't get past the fire guys if I don't have my my guns. Like yes, Batman has guns in this game. I know it makes no sense, but he has guns. If my start button will work, please start button, please, 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 because I don't think I can jump. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. Ammo, bullets. Ah, trains. I hate trains. I like trains. No, I don't. Okay, now I can show you the power of rocket gun. Yeah. Batman can punch trains to death with his fists. Shoot you in the dick. Shoot you in the face. Oh, you're dead. Rockets. Take that. Oh. Forget that I can't. I have to punch those. Hey, guess what? Guess what? Hey, I'm Batman. Trains. Trains. Trains suck. Yeah. Can I go up there? No, I can't. You can also wall jump in this game. It's pretty cool. Stage 2. Oh, they changed color. They coming back? Nope. Okay, just they die, I guess. Ow! Ow! Get my health back. Oh! Oh! Wow. Okay. Little floor traps try to kill you. Eh. I'll figure out the timing or die. More than likely, I just die. I'm nearly dead anyway. Ugh. Yeah! Batman dance. Huh. Yeah. Oh boy. Is there anything else up here? Let's find out. Yeah, maybe. Nope. Guess not, because I can't wait. Oh, I had it. Oh, yeah. Okay, I guess not, because I can't go any higher than that. Okay. How do I get rid of you guys? Nope. Maybe just a... Nope, that's not what I want. Ow! Oh, no! I need health. I'm trapped. This is where Batman dies. Maybe. Oh yeah, take that, flame dude. Yeah. Oh crap. How do I get over here if I can't? If I can't. Okay, so I can't like climb up. How do I do this? I don't know. Oh, old games. Why are you so difficult? Ah! Oh, the flame guy's back. It's great. I'm gonna farm guys until I get health. Be stupid though. Just fall down past you. Oh! And Batman incinerated. Yep, didn't even get to the final boss. Let's try this again. I want to at least get to. I want to at least try to get to the boss. Ow! Come on. Jumping on walls, dodging the thing, running down the hallway, jumping over the thing, gonna punch some trains. Come on, what the heck was that? Just face the other way, Batman? Okay. Speed up when you get near him. Ow, come on. Come on! Oh, great. Now I got a guy with guns that can fly. Yeah, this is gonna be tough. Yeah, take that. Yeah. I wish that E was health, but it's not. I don't even know what it is. It's not energy. It's not ammo because ammo's rockets. What the heck is E? Oh God! No, get away from me! I'm Batman! I'm Batman! I'm Batman! Why you kill Batman? Alright. Third, final attempt. Third time's the charm, right? Alright, that's what they say. That's what some people say. Ooh, what you say? And ignore the flame guys again. Oh! Yeah, come on. Come on. Metroid jump. Metroid jump. Yeah. Okay. Ignore the bomby death spike floor thing. Come on, Batman. You got this. Music in this game's really good. I wonder if I can jump up and just punch it. I punch it. Yeah. Come on! Alright, screw this. Oh, Batman. How many batarangs do I have to hit you with? Also, it doesn't make much sense that when you use a batarang, it goes away. Like, even though it comes back to you, it goes away. How does that work? Oh, that guy's gone. That's good. Oh God, no, he's here. Yeah. Oh, E is ammo. Okay. Well, what are rockets then? For a rocket gun? I don't know. I'll kill you. I'll Batman you. Yeah. Nope. Rockets are ammo too. Everything is ammo, and I don't need any of it. Come on, Batman. You can do this. You can do this. There's a ninja. Oh my God, the ninja killed me. Well, couldn't even get to the final boss. So, yeah, that's Batman for the NES. Another punishingly hard game. Good game, but hard. So, enjoy this end music while I sob a little bit. Little cry. Next time, Metroid! Yay. I love Metroid. I suck at it. Bye.